Hey everyone, Scott here, and welcome to my room at the Inverness Denver. This is pretty cool. So I just put my stuff down. I just got here, and you're seeing this with me for the very first time, and what I'm feeling right now is that this is cool. This is very, very cool. It's a little bit dated, I will admit. It kind of feels like a ski lodge with this angle thing going on here, and the couch and I don't know, but it got a balcony here. I'll show you that in a moment, but this is really cool. It's not the most beautiful property. It's not the most luxurious property, but this is neat. Now, technically, it's a golf resort. I do not golf. Well, I do sometimes, but very badly. But I am not here to golf. I am simply here to stay. I've got a flight out tomorrow morning. And, you know, I figured I'd stay somewhere outside of the airport area and see what else Denver has to offer. And this is really, really cool. So let's start at the beginning here. I guess I'll save the shower or the bathroom for last. But right here, you've got a huge refrigerator. I love to see this. And this is kind of, it's not in a busy area, but there are a lot of shops and restaurants and stores nearby, so if you need to load up on anything, you can. That's a good thing. And then this couch looks really cozy, comfortable, big TV. And these blinds, I don't know if you can adjust. I guess you can kind of look out, but the view is, as you just saw, it's much better on the other side, but I kind of like it like this, just towards the sky. That's really, really cool. You stand over here, look this way. It's like a little apartment. This is really cool. So let's come over here to the bedroom. And again, you know, not the most stylish bedroom. Big TV. Another desk or just one desk? Was there a desk out here? No. But there is a desk here. It looks pretty good. Not going to be doing any work in here tonight, so don't need to worry about that. But let's check out the balcony here. And it is hot today. This is August 3rd, 2026, so it is very humid, over 100 degrees today. And yes, this is a golf resort, and that is, I guess that's the driving range right there. There's a putting green and then a driving range. I guess the golf course is that way. So yeah, it is hot and muggy out here, but this is nice. This is huge. It's private. You got walls there, you got walls here, and it's pretty nice. You can't, yeah, there's no wind out here. It's just still air, and I'm sure you can hear there's no wind noise, so it's kind of nice. But let's go back inside where the air conditioning is. Yeah, let's look at the bedroom or the bathroom. There's a trip on the carpet. Good looking bathroom. Toilet already open, which is kind of rare for a hotel room. Never seen that before. Small little detail. It's a Hilton, crabtree stuff everywhere, and that's very familiar. Simple sink, and this is interesting. Shower. Yeah, kind of old, a little bit crusty, but nice. So there is no tub in this room. Not that I need one, but I know a lot of people like to soak in a tub after a long hot day on the golf course. Cannot do that in this room. And then the door that closes, a real heavy door like that. So, and then two robes, slippers, iron hangers, kind of a small closet, whatever. Who cares about the closet, right? The room like this is awesome. So yeah, the Inverness Denver. I'm glad I chose this. I was a little bit apprehensive. I didn't really know what this was going to be, but I like this. I like this a lot. And I think my plan for tonight, I know there are on-site restaurants and there's probably room service as well, but I think I'm gonna go to the nearest Chipotle and bring something back and just sit here on the couch and watch TV. Sounds like a plan. Anyway, if you have questions or comments, do let me know. I will answer them as soon as I can. I've actually got a lot to say about this, so please ask questions. I want to talk about this. This is impressive. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.